The Big Trip by Valerie Gorbachev. Essential question. What are some different ways to travel? Genre. A fantasy is a story that could not happen in real life. As you read, look for events that could not really happen, animals who act like people. Meet the author and illustrator, Valerie Gorbachev. Valerie Gorbachev says, I love to draw for children and to create books when I am both author and illustrator. He also illustrates books for many other authors. To read more about Pig and Goat, look for Where is the Apple Pie? And One Rainy Day. I am going to take a trip far away, Pig said to Goat one day. How will you go? Asked Goat. Let me think for a moment, said Pig. Maybe I will go by bike. That will be a very nice trip. Oh, dear, said Goat. You could fall off a bike. Ah, said Pig. Then I will drive a car. It's not a good idea, Pig, said Goat. A car can break down. Analyze the text. Compare and contrast. How do Pig and Goat each feel about taking a trip by car? Oh, said Pig, then I will go by horse on my trip. I'm not sure about that, said Goat. Horses can be very jumpy. Okay, said Pig. Then I am going to go by donkey cart. A donkey is very quiet. Not good, not good, said Goat. Donkeys can be very stubborn. Then I will go by train, said Pig. Oh, Pig, said Goat. A train could get stuck in a tunnel. Good point, Goat, said Pig. Then I will fly by plane. What if the engine stops? Said Goat. You'd have to parachute. True, said Pig. Then I will go by hot air balloon. The hot air balloon could have a hole, said Goat. Okay, I will not travel by land. I will not travel by air. I will go by sea, said Pig, on a ship. Analyze the text. Dialogue. How do you know Goat and Pig are speaking? What do they say? Oh no, exclaimed Goat. Don't do it. The ship could run into a reef when passing through fog, or run into a heavy storm at sea. And there are sharks all around at sea. So many, you couldn't count them. And you could find yourself alone on a desert island in the middle of the ocean with pirates that could come on that desert island by pirate ship. Stop! 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 Exclaimed Pig. I could fall off a bike, break down in a car, get thrown by a horse, never get there with a donkey, or get stuck on a train. I might have to parachute from a plane or from a hot air balloon, and traveling by ship could bring me many troubles. So I will not go anywhere, said Pig. Having a big trip is a very scary thing. Unless, said Goat, looking at Pig. You go with a friend. Great story. The end. Goodbye.